well, sometimes I don't watch where I'm walking, and I was in the market, plain sight in front of Lord knows who was there, but I was in the markets in Port Antonio and I fell. I didn't see the ditch in the ground.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan Island family.
Wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
You don't know your boy Provider there.
Yes, the Provider / Island Boy Africa.
You know what I mean?
You know, and little Island, he's just behind us having a sleep on the bed.
Man.
So guys, today it's a real horrible day.
Yep.
We're in for another flood.
Babe.
Not us, but Lismore. Yeah.
You just see the one in about Lismore.
About a good 50 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And
the way the one in for Lismore.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So guys, we thought we're gonna do something different. We're going to do a fun facts challenge
about each other.
And and so then you guys get to know a little bit more about us, and and you know, some people will have some questions they want to know, and so we just decided we're going to answer some as a fun fact. So let's get into this. And don't mind if you hear a frog outside. There's a frog out there somewhere. Yeah,
so we have a list here that we're working with.
We're working with the list, guys, and you guys
will get to know a bit more about us with these fun facts.
Fun facts.
So let's get into the video.
Alright, let's get into it. So, where were we born?
Ooh, first one, where were we born? Well, it's kind of obvious, but some will still not know if you're new to the channel or if you don't pay attention. You know what I mean? So
that's right. So if you're new to the channel, we were born, well, I was born in Argentina.
And I was born in Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so just want to quickly touch basis of migrated here when I was a baby. So yes, I have a very strong Australian accent. I still speak fluent Spanish. I write and I read. So yeah, I big up to my mum and dad for still instilling the language in us. And also, so babe.
Yeah, Jamaica, you know, fully born and raised, you know. Yeah, man, and recently migrated to Australia a little over a year now, you know what I mean? So that's the story, you know. That's
the story, morning glory.
Yeah.
How many siblings do we have?
How many siblings? Me choose alright, so me have four brother and one sister. I mean, I have to think in America. You know, I'm not good with memory sometimes. You know?
So, all together you have four. Five.
Four brothers.
Four brothers. Including your sister.
Yeah, five in total. Yeah.
In total.
What am I saying?
Oh my god.
4 brothers, 1 sister.
Okay, cool. So 5. Wow. Your mum was busy.
Yeah, I mean.
no TV back then. Anyways, alright, so I've got 4 in total, that's including me. So they're all older than me, my siblings. And so they're all older than me, and so you know, I listen to all kinds of music because, you know, they were older than me listening to their genre of music. So yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, and I'm the youngest.
I'm the youngest too.
And as Jamaican would say, I am the wash belly. You know, the last one they call that the wash belly. You know?
Well, then that must be for me too. Alright, your favorite ice cream?
Oh, favorite ice cream. You know, so I tell you the truth, I kind of love my rum and raisin still, you know.
Really?
It's a common one in Jamaica still, but you know, I mean, you have the chocolate and all that, but other than that, I would probably say the cookie and cream. Yeah.
Well, I like passion fruit. I love mango ice cream. I love chocolate. Chocolate ice cream is my favorite. And the other day I had like a banana split, which was chocolate and banana.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Would you say? You tried it. It was nice. So yeah, I'm an ice cream girl. I would prefer ice cream over cake.
Yeah.
Whereas babe, I don't know, what would you prefer?
Maybe even know sometime. Maybe you choose any one of them, you know? Yeah.
Whatever goes. I think maybe both, if both were an offer. So if you could go anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Well, for me right now, it would have to be Jamaica, unless it's somewhere else. Then, yeah.
Yeah, I would
Jamaica
say definitely tropical, somewhere tropical.
Yeah.
I know Jamaica for us now is a bit far-fetched, but like around tropical island like Fiji or the Pacific Islands or somewhere tropical would be nice about now, because right now we're not really getting much of a warm weather. It's been raining, just depressing weather, guys.
Yeah,
Any food allergies?
Yeah.
Fun fact, food allergies.
And to be honest, it's kind of...
Or dislikes.
Yeah, I mean, I could say it's allergy as well, because... But I was going to say is that it's when I came to Australia I kind of discovered that I can't eat prawns, or what we don't call shrimp. You know what I mean? But the funny thing is that in Jamaica I love crayfish and I can eat crayfish. You know what I mean? But I cannot eat a prawn. Like I will literally throw up. You know what I mean? And also I love lobster, and I've threw up on lobster before as well. So if the lobster don't cook a certain way, I threw up on it. So
yeah, you do too.
Yeah, but
it's strange.
It's funny because I guess it's.
But not here, lobster.
No.
Pardon me. I don't like octopus.
Well, you haven't tried it.
I don't have like an allergy to any food. Like, well, I don't have any allergies to any food, but octopus is my least favorite. Babe says I haven't tried it yet. I haven't tried it the Jamaican way. Yeah. But I have tried it squishy way.
The Asian way.
The Asian way, and I didn't like it.
Yeah, Jamaican cook it different.
I didn't like it, guys.
But I mean, not many Jamaicans. I mean, not every Jamaican eat it as well. But you know what I mean? Yeah, the way it cooked in Jamaica, I think it's the only way that I would really eat it, you know what I mean? Yeah, for sure.
So, computer games. What's your go-to computer game?
Well, my go-to is PUBG, you know. I love my PUBG.
He likes his PUBG. And me, I would say Grand Theft Auto on PlayStation. Yeah, so I haven't played the latest one, so for all the young'uns that play games, I like, Grand Theft Auto is my favorite.
Funny thing is, I can't remember the last time I played like a computer game.
Really?
It's been years now I haven't played a computer game like...
Solitaire?
Yeah, I haven't played a PlayStation in ages or anything. Or a Nintendo, and
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so it's like on the phone kind
We have played PlayStation though.
Ooh.
A few months ago. We did play PlayStation.
Oh yeah, but for a quick second. True that.
Yeah, because we were playing with other people as well. Yeah. Okay, do you have a strange or hidden talent?
Strange or hidden talent.
Fun facts, guys.
You know, when you were writing that one today, I was still stuck on that one, because strange or hidden talent, it has to be strange or hidden. Well, what can I say? I was good at cricket, because that's strange and it's hidden. I mean, I don't play cricket in ages anyway, so I might not be good anymore. But I was really good at cricket.
Yeah. I think my hidden talent is tennis. Not many people know that I play tennis. Yeah. And I'm pretty good at it. I'm a left-handed, so I'm pretty good at tennis, guys. And if I probably persevered and listened to my strict dad, I probably could have made it somewhere with that. But I didn't. I didn't. But I still played good. And I'll never forget, that could be my embarrassing moment.
Oh, shit.
But I'll keep that to another embarrassing moment. But anyway, okay, well, to come to think about it, let's go to the embarrassing moment then.
That's where we are?
Yeah, we'll go to the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you.
You wanna go first?
Okay, so well, sometimes I don't watch where I'm walking, and I was in the market plain sight in front of Lord knows who was there. But I was in the markets in Port Antonio and I fell. I didn't see the ditch in the ground. and I fell, and that was really embarrassing.
Yeah.
It was really embarrassing because I was dressed up really good too that day.
I remember.
And I was looking really fine, and then all of a sudden
Pothole in that road.
pothole, and I just went down. She went.
That was one.
That was embarrassing. And yeah, so girls, yeah, watch where you're going when you're going around. If you're not sure where you're going, just watch the road.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
For me, I think I had probably a couple, but one of them that stood out would have been falling off a bicycle in public and everybody start laugh.
Yeah, that sort of happens over in Jamaica.
Yeah.
If you do silly things like that, someone will just laugh.
Yeah, and you just have to brush it off like so not me,
like
because
nothing ever happened.
Yeah, the amount of pain when we did it now.
Yeah.
Trust me.
I had scars on my knees that time too.
Yeah, so
anyways.
Yeah.
The other kind of embarrassing moment was when we went to Nanny Fours and I had a fall and almost broke your camera. I don't know, for some reason Jamaica I have falls all the time.
But that wasn't much really.
That wasn't much, but it was no, because it was just me and you.
Yeah, it wasn't really embarrassing.
Nanny Fours, imagine just me, you, and a whole heap of other people. I would have been like,
that would have been a
I want to go now. I don't want to stay around here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so a funny memory from childhood.
Oh my gosh, funny memory from childhood. I have to think about that one day. You can't start off.
Funny memory from childhood. Wow. I thought I had one earlier on today.
Well,
when I was writing these down, I was like, oh, you know, I've got one.
I think I remember one when I remember one when my father, because my father used to do like he had this weed whacker where he cut people's yard and all that. And I was at the yard with him while he was cutting the grass, and all of a sudden I was on one side like raking up because I was there helping him to rake up, and then all of a sudden I saw him start running like crazy. I started boxing, he even boxing himself and all that. You know what I mean? Only to realize he friggin' messed with a bees box was close by where they like raising bees for honey.
And what happened?
And for some reason he messed with the bees box and the bees started taking him over. He was like slapping himself and all that, and then even the neighbor came out and started laughing. I never forgot that day.
That's crazy.
That was funny.
That's a funny memory of your dad.
Yeah,
definitely.
That was funny.
Well, my funny memory was when my brothers and sisters used to go and play knock and run. And knock and run at strangers' houses. And there was one time where it didn't become much of a funny memory anymore. Was the very last time my brothers and sisters ever played knock and run at a stranger's house, because I was in the middle of it and the owner ran out and caught me and grabbed me from my shoulder, like my shirt, and was like, "Don't you dare knock and run in my house ever again, otherwise I'm going to smack you." Oh, I swear I got so scared, but it was the most funniest memory for me, because that's what my brothers and sisters used to teach me.
Oh yeah.
Knock and
They
run.
were the leaders of
They
it.
were the leader of it, so I used to be the follower. So okay, we'll leave that one for that. What's the first thing you do when you arrive at the airport, like duty free?
Well, I don't know.
Or any airport.
I don't know. It's kind of different for me because I don't think I just arrive and that's it. I never really like be looking for anything special.
Do you get nervous though before you go through the check-ins and all that?
Yeah.
I think it's clear to say, guys, comment down below that you get nervous when you get to an airport. Even though you know you don't have any contraband and you don't have anything like, you know.
Because even that time when I think we were going to Sydney, when they pulled me out of the line, and I was like, shit, but I don't have anything on me, but the feeling of it just makes you nervous, like, why are they pulling me out of the line, out of everybody, you know what I mean? So so that would, what I would do, the first thing I do in duty free or at the airport is try on the perfume. Come on ladies, you know you do it. I'm not the only one that goes into the perfume aisle and goes, this smells nice. Oh, this smells nice, I might try this one on too. So by the time you leave the airport, you smell like $1 million. True.
or a headache, one of the two. So, okay, and the lucky last, oh no, hang on, wait, we've got a few here. What were you known for in high school?
What was I known for? Well, I was known to be the kid that was very humble, or other than that, the kid that has the most money to school.
True.
And the reason for that is I used to go fishing and I would sell my fish. I always come to school with even $2,000-$3,000. And you know, most kids I get them $300, them $400, you know what I mean?
What a spoiled child.
And I would even say spoiled because I was like, you know, sending myself to high school at the time really because I was going fishing and then, you know.
I see you're working.
Yeah, because especially when I was on evening shift, I would go in the morning, go fishing and then come home, then get ready for school and then, you know what I mean? So I always used to save my money a lot. And the thing is,
you would have had a whole bucket of girls hanging off your shoulder going, oh,
you know, the funny,
Tyrone, can you buy me an ice cream or a lollipop?
The funny thing is I wasn't a popular kid in school. It's just my friends, they would they would have hyped me up basically to say, oh, Tyrone have money and this and that, you know what I mean? But I was more humble. It's my friends, they would say, oh, he has the money in school, or you know what I mean, and then everybody be like, oh yeah, he has the money. But no, I never really say it out loud. It's just my friends would say that.
Okay, well there you go.
Yeah.
Oh well, I was known for in high school as a troublemaker. I was a bit of a troublemaker. I wasn't a troublemaker. Okay, look, I wasn't a troublemaker. I was Latino gang.
Yeah.
So for the girls that went to school with me, they know that I was always trying to make our own little crew that speaks Spanish, you know. We weren't messing around with nobody else and we were just kind of being ourselves. So that's why I say troublemaker, because you know, we used to like rock up in the bandanas, and mind you, we used to go to an all-girls private school, so yeah, go figure, eh?
Join the clique, you know?
Yeah, you know, 2-pack and all that sort of stuff was what was on our playlists back then. Anyhow, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. So this one's more of a sort of touchy sort of subject. The most painful experience you've ever experienced.
Well, I think people would know by now unless you're new to the channel. Well, that would be my father passing away, so that, yeah, I don't think any pain top that. Yeah, that was very extreme.
For real.
You know, because if you lose a person that you grew up with, you know, like, that hits really hard. And especially when you're young, you can't cope with it that easy. You don't get counseling for that and all that shit, so it's like you just have to bear it out day by day. Yeah, so
and that still sort of hits home.
Yeah, that definitely.
Oh, that makes me sad. Yeah, for sure. I've never really experienced a real close death of a loved one.
Yeah.
And I can only just imagine the pain that people go through when that happens.
Yeah.
So I honestly don't really want that. Yeah.
Even though we know the nature of life, the cycle of life, but you know, it's like you don't wish that on anybody.
Definitely. For me, the most painful experience would probably be giving birth.
Yeah.
Ladies, you know, if you know, you know.
Yeah.
Giving birth was probably one of my most painfulest experiences of my life.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, next question is drum roll. The last song you played on your Spotify, iTunes list.
I don't even use Spotify or iTunes, so I would have to say probably YouTube or something.
YouTube.
Yeah.
What was it?
The last song I played today.
Wasn't it Shano?
I think it was Shano and Jashi. Yeah, that last song I played today.
Yeah. The last song I played today was I Surrender by Hillsongs. Yes, guys, I do listen to church music from time to time. And yes, I do feel the Holy Ghost upon me, and I feel the Holy Spirit, I should say. I shouldn't say ghost, it sounds, I don't know, the Holy Spirit. So I do, and yeah, and it's a good vibe. It's a Sunday, so you know, why not?
Yeah.
I listen to church music on the occasion. Gospel music's my favorite. And I listen to everything, dancehall, reggae, you name it, Latino music, we just go for it, guys. And so the last question would be, no, I've got one more question before the last question. The first thing you would do if you won the lottery?
Well, for me, definitely buy a house.
Yeah.
House, straight up.
Houses.
Yeah.
Not just one houses.
Yeah.
Houses.
Definitely
Invest.
houses.
Get in the property market. It's the best thing to do, I think.
Definitely.
Yeah. I'd buy businesses and properties are probably the thing that would go for, or I would go for.
Yeah, I would buy a house, then invest in other things, and you know what I mean. Yeah.
Keep it rolling.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next goal would be, the next question is your goal for the year. What is your goal for the year?
Goal for the year. Yeah, well,
because we're almost done with this year. Like, guys,
year.
there's like 9 weeks left of Christmas.
Yeah, I mean, the goal for the year is just to achieve as much as, you know, life have to offer, you know what I mean, save up as much as we can.
Yeah.
You know, just enjoy life as it comes, because we don't know what tomorrow may brings. And yeah, that's how I say it, as I see right now. You know, long-term goals are there, you know what I mean, that, you know, is in place. You know, we're not going to achieve that overnight. So yeah, the goal is to just, accept what life offers, and you know, make most of it, and put out the best version. You see. Yeah,
that's good. So yeah, the same as Babe. My goal for the year is to save money, because I want to go on a holiday, but that's a secret. I'm not telling anyone where we may be going. So, and also, you know, just mostly seeing, you know, Island grow. You know, that's the goal, is to see him grow and flourish into the little young boy that he's becoming for the rest of this year, and for future, obviously, to succeed.
Definitely.
You know, and remember, guys, we do plan, and our goal is to move back to Jamaica. Yeah. So for all those that are against I and us, I should say, us and I, yeah, look, guys, we kind of had this conversation many times before, so that's definitely on the cards for us, is retirement.
Yeah, man, we not talk much, but we have lots of plans and lots of vision, you see. Yeah, man, so yeah, we're working towards them day by day. Yeah. Yeah, man.
And that's it. And that is all for today's fun facts of the Island family. Yeah, and hopefully when Island grows up, he'll be able to give you his version of fun facts.
You might have stories to tell and that one.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so we just want to say thank you again if you're new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that link button, notification bell, you know to do. And if you're old to our channel, we do read everyone's comments once again. We haven't had time to reply because we're busy bodies. True. But, you know, we'll get there eventually. So thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support. Peace.
We on a roll now. Let's go now. Blessings all the time.
Nolly, nolly, nolly.